Hello and assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Ali and welcome to C Sharp tutorials for absolute beginners. Okay, so let's get started with our today's tutorial. Today we are going to be learning about operators. In C Sharp we have many operators. They are assignment, arithmetic, comparison, logical, increment, type testing, ternary. There are the miscellaneous operators. Okay, so a lot of them are there, but we are going to be doing couple of them only. So let's get started. Our first operator would be arithmetic operator. Arithmetic are collection of operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and remainder or modulus. Let's have a look at example. So I have declared a variable called a and I have assigned value 5 to it, and integer b, and I have assigned 36 to it. Now in addition it says a, so a will go in here, the value of b will go in here, and the value of a plus b will go in here, and we have a collection of the code. So you can check it out how it works. Just stop the screen and it will you can look at the program. I'm gonna start, and as you can see in here, addition 5 plus 36 41. 5 minus 36 is equal to minus 31. Multiplication would be 5 times 36 is 180. Division is 5 by divided by 36, it's 0 point something, so it's returning 0. And modulus of 5 divided by 36, remainder 36 is 5. You can check what modulus means. I've shown a simple but a little complicated example like this part and this part. It's up to you. You have to search these things to understand these completely. That's why I made it a bit difficult. So let's get to our second operator. Now we have the assignment operator. Okay, so assignment operator is basically equals. Okay, let's look at it, an example. As you can see in here, I'm saying a equals 5, but basically it doesn't mean a equals. It means a is assigned the value of 5, or the value of 5 is assigned to a. What is assignment? It means you actually put the value of 5 inside a. It is not equal to a. If I say one thing is equal to other thing, if I say $1 equals 3.5 reals, okay, so that is equal because they are both properties mean the same thing, but a does not equal to 5. It is assigned to a 5. Okay, in programming there is this assignment operator. We call it assignment operator because a does not equal to 5. It is impossible for a is what we don't know. But if I say like, if I this is 5, now if I say a is equal to b, now this would be correct. Okay, am I right? A is equal to b, and that would be correct because they are equal. But in programming, this is assignment, and if you do a equals b, you are actually saying a is assigned to b. Sorry, b is assigned to a, so the value of b will be going to a. So that is a little bit difficult to understand, but bear with me, it's really easy. Okay, what is equals? If I want to test what is equal to other thing, how can I test? Let's look at our next operator and you will understand. Okay, now it's comparison and relational operators. What are these operators? Well, basically these operators are used to compare different things. For example, to compare different values of something. For example, let us suppose that a is equal to, as we know that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 5. So according to first, it's going to check whether something equals, because we have learned that one equal sign is not equal. It is an assignment. So a equals b is an assignment. A double equals b is same as saying mathematically a equals b. A double equals b means a equals b. Okay, a exclamation mark equals b means that a is not equal to b. If a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 5, so a is not equal to 5 would return false, because we know that both are true. A and B are equal to 5. If so, the second operator says it is not equal to 5, so it is gonna return false. The number 3 says A is greater than B. That would also mean false, because A is not greater, it is equal. The third condition says A is less than, and the fourth condition, oh sorry, the fourth condition says A is less than. The fifth condition says A is greater than or is equal to. So we have greater than or is equal to two conditions at the same time. If one condition is true, the result is true. If both conditions are true, the result is true. If neither of them are true, so the result is false. So let us actually look at a simple program using which we can really understand what this means, and we will be creating this program. Actually, I have already created this program, so let's get to it. Okay, so let's see. Our example is ready, so let's check. A equals 5, right? So it should return true, because this is a boolean type. What is a boolean? We have learned that we have integer type and we have string type. There is something called a bool type. What is a bool? Bool is something, for example, if I say bool 25, no sorry, bool what equals true. Okay, so a bool is what it a bool is a variable which returns either true or false. Okay, so this, if I make comparisons and if I use relational operators, it should return a bool value. It should return true or false. Let's check it out. We're gonna say, so it says A equals B. Let's see. A equals B, true. A doesn't equal to B, false, because it is equal to B. A is greater than B, false. A is less than B, false. A is greater than or equal to B, true, because it is or equal to. Yeah, A is equal to. Or is what? Or is something. You have to neglect one part, and if one of two conditions is one of the conditions is true, then it's true. So our equal to condition is true, so it will return 2. And in here also our equal to condition is true, so it's gonna return true. That's all. Okay, I think that should be understandable. Okay, and there is something called increment and decrement operators. Well, if we say a plus plus and b minus minus, so what will happen is the value of a and b will change. Let's see, if I say in cw a, so let's see, a plus plus means the value will increase by 1, b minus minus with b, value will be decreased by 1. So let's look at the result. We know that a is 5. When I say a plus plus, it will increase it by 1, so it is now 6. B is a minus minus, so it will decrease by 1, so it's 4. Okay, if I do a plus equals 5 and b minus equals 2, so it will do what? It's gonna say the value of a is 5, right? I'm gonna add 5 to it, so it's gonna be 5 plus 5, and that result should be 10. b b is 5, the value 2 will be subtracted from 5 and we'll get 3. Let's see, 10 and 3. Okay, okay guys, that's all for today. We'll learn what is left later, because those concepts need the if statement and stuff like that. So thank you very much for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and Allah Hafiz.